Hello, viewers around the globe. This is your best selling author, radio, and TV personality, Dr. Afshan Hashmi. Today, friends, I will be unboxing this advent calendar of NYX Cosmetics. But before doing that, let me talk to you about my two best selling books on Amazon. The first one was The Modern Mughal Mentality New Strategies to Succeed in India and the Global Marketplace. And the second one was The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection. This book was a business book, and when this book came, there was a lot of research going on in Stanford and Harvard about the Hindi buzzword Jugaad. So I wrote about Jugaad and I conceptualized as thinking outside the box. And friends, please go and buy these two books and give me an honest review. And this book, the second book, when it came in 2019, there was no trace of coronavirus, and in a very unique story, it tells about bioterrorism. So this is a science fiction and a cozy mystery which everybody loved, and I am looking for some movie or a TV serial or a web series made out of this book. So if any of the movie producers or directors or writers, anybody listening that who's interested in that, please contact me at afshan@drafshanhashmi.com. Having said that, friends, these two books were in Kindle, in Nook, in paperback, and in audiobooks. And I have narrated my audiobooks. So if you have those kind of needs, please go to my website www.afshanhashmi.com and see what kind of services I run. I can be your cosmetic reviewer, your book reviewer, and I can do it in two ways: while sharing with my radio show, come TV show on uh, W4WN radio network, which has more than 300 million listeners. So, if you want me to review your products on my radio, come TV show, and get promoted to more than 300 million listeners, please contact me at afshan@drafshanhashmi.com, and then I can also review it on my and share it on my social media channels, which has also huge following. So just contact me at afshan@drafshanhashmi.com and we will go from there. Having said that, friends, let me start the review and unboxing of this diamonds. NYX Professional Makeup Diamonds and Eyes Please 24-day holiday countdown. So this is the advent calendar I am talking about, and see how beautiful is the packing of this. I just love the packing of this. It is so beautiful. And I have used NYX Cosmetics, but let's see what comes in it, whether I have used it or not. So let's start the review, and let me go and open the first one. So the first one is here. Okay, so this is a red lipstick. I like the color of it. I love red lipsticks and nude lipsticks, and so we will put it there. Now let me go to number two. Think it is in sequence. Yes, number two is here. And this is Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. I haven't used this, but I will try it and see how it goes. So this is the product. So let me go to number three now. Number 3 is this nude color. NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. Let me open it and see how it is. Okay, so this is that. So this was number 3. Now let me go to number 4 here. Wow. This is Glam Purple eyeshadow. It looks nice color. So where is number 5? Okay, here is number 5. So it is kind of in a row. So NYX Professional Makeup hashtag this is everything lip scrub exfoliate pore less leverous. In winters you really need to scrub that so that the dry skin from your lips go away. So that was number 5. Let's do number 6 now. And number 6 is Butter Gloss. So this is another liquid lipstick, or you can say gloss. Now comes number 7. Crystal eyeshadow. Nice color. Let's do number. This was number 7. So let's do number 8 now. Hashtag this is everything lip oil. Okay. So let's go to number 9 now. So this is number 9. Hashtag this is everything. Another lip oil. Yes, this is another lip oil. So let's do number 10 now. And number 10 is Born to Glow Liquid Illumination. So it is. I haven't tried these products, but I will try all of them. So let's go to number 11. And number 11 is soft matte lip cream. So let's go to number 12 now. And number 12 is hashtag this is everything lip loving balm. Let's see what is this. This is everything lip loving balm. Yeah, smells very good. So now is number 13. So number 13 is finishing powder. HD finishing powder mineral based. I'm trying it on my hand. So this is what it is. Number 14. It's kind of hard to pull the product from here. So this is number 14. And it is NYX Professional Makeup Matte Lipstick. Let's see which color. Oh, I love this color. Although I have in Kylie lipsticks and Huda and all those brands this color, but I love this color. So now is number 15. So number 15 is Butter Gloss. And number 16 is another eyeshadow palette. So this is here. Nice color. So let's do now 16. So where is 17? I think this is 17. You can't see it, but it's here. Again eyeshadow palette. Bronze Goddess eyeshadow. Let's do number 18 now. So oh, this is a beautiful color. I just love this color. Very nice color. Lipstick. Now is number 19. So number 19 is another matte rouge. So it is this lipstick I have of this color, but I love this color. Well, let's see what is in 20. So 20 has this. Another, what is the name? Rose gold eyeshadow. Very pretty colors in this. So this is 21. What is this? Studio Photogenic eyeshadow base. Let's do 22 now. 22 is again eyeshadow antique gold. So number 23 is butter gloss. So they've given quite a number of butter gloss to this color. And this is pore filler primer base. So this was the 24-day advent calendar from NYX Cosmetics. I really love. I will give my thoughts now. I didn't look at the back. This says about all the products, but I did not see at the back until now. I didn't want to ruin my excitement about it. So when I saw this, this is a $55 calendar, and it has lot of see how beautiful the thing is. The box, it is so beautiful, the box. And now I will give my thoughts on it, and this is the product I've collected here. So this is quite a bit of product in $55 value, and their website says that, let me see, their website says Advent Calendar 24-day holiday countdown. Although it is sold out. And introducing our iced out 24-day holiday countdown, featuring 24 of our iconic bestsellers in mini and full sizes. Make every day a celebration. Why wait for your gifts when you can have one every day of the holidays? From gloss to mascara, collect our pro grade products throughout the month and add them to your routine. Let the color countdown to iced out beauty begin. And then there is the shade and description of all that. So I think it is a very good value in $55, reasonable value, and they say it is like about $75 value products. But I really like the product and I love the packaging, and that's the packaging attracted me a lot, and that's why I bought it. So I give this product 5 stars, and I really love the packaging. This box, while opening it, it was all, see how it became, but I am going to preserve this box. I'm not going to throw it. So I love this packing so much, and because of packing I brought it. Although I have tried NYX products and I love them, so I give them 5 stars. And keep up the good work, NYX Cosmetics. And next year, let's see what kind of packaging you have. Very nice packaging. And having said that, friends, let me remind you that please go and buy my two books, The Modern Mughal Mentality, New Strategies to Succeed in India and the Global Marketplace, and The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection. And please go to my website www.afshanhashmi.com and see what kind of author services I run. And I'm looking for guests on my radio come TV show, which has more than 300 million listeners. And I'm looking for a sponsorship from my radio come TV show on W4WN, which has more than 300 million listeners, and then a sponsorship on my Fox 5 Plus TV show, which comes in GTV's Capital Forum on every last Saturday, and my segment is of 6 minutes, and it has viewership of 6.2 million viewers. So please contact me at Afshan at drafshanhashmi.com, and uh, please sponsor my these two shows. Having said that, friend, this is my lucky mascot. Cheers and bye bye.